Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be doing a giraffe silhouette in a sunset. Um, I draw it out with a pencil, but then I use all of my, well, not all of them, but only thing I use on it besides pencil is my Arteza brush pens and a water pen. I started with the sky because it's the furthest thing in the photo, um, or the background, you should say. Sometimes it's better to start with the background before you put in the subject, so that way you don't mess up your subject with your background. You can do it the other way if you want to too. It would be even better if you had um, like liquid masking tape or whatever people use to block out the image that you're not wanting to put color on. Then you could make your sky or background or whatever go straight across the object and then peel that up and have just the paper showing. But I do not have any of that right now, or ever have. I've never had it. Kind of seems a little intimidating to me, but when I find some, I will get it and try it for everybody, see how it works. I also grabbed another brush to try to blend it out, kind of like you would with acrylic paint. It doesn't really blend as much as acrylic paint. And here I am starting the silhouette of the giraffe. I started with a lighter gray. For some reason, it seemed a little less intimidating to start with a light gray. But I ended up using all the different kinds of darker grays, darker grays and blacks that the Arteza brush pen set has. In the reference photo, you could kind of make out the giraffe's face, even though it was a silhouette. I kind of wanted to keep that in my painting, so I tried to just differentiate a little bit with the shades of gray. And for the ground, I started with the second to darkest shade of gray to try and work in the little details of the far off trees and grasses and brush. The goal is to not completely cover up the sky colors so it can be peeping through. But the base is pretty solid. When you look at the photograph, it was pretty solid black, so I will end up going back in and darkening up the ground portion.